Okay. So this is your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Yes. Next is the mouth. Oh, go. Put some glue. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You hold your mouth. Okay. Okay. Mm. Here. Oh, put your mouth na. You put the mouth because it's your assignment, not mine. Okay? Go. Oh, go. Okay. Oops. Okay. Tabingi lahat. Okay. Okay. It's up to you. It's up to you. Okay. Put some glue. You put some glue na. You know how to put it?